KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Chief Justice Badan Jong Kayeng Bishar Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee Hakasni Sajan Jong Kasautari Gubernur Jelleo Arajar Arpuar Ula Plie Pajba ya Kashari Bapura Jong District and Session Court East Jantia Hills District ya Kabalate Hakajinglut Kaba Khatsao Poin Lai Pupra Kelor Tingka Hakajing Plie ya Kene Kashari La Sakilang da Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla U James PK Sangma Kinong Bishar Jong Meghalaya High Court Berkentup ya Uba HS Thangkeu Uba Wan Lura Ding Do Secretary Katanat Law ke Sarkar Jilla Uba Cyril VD Ding Do Ki Mukhtiar Jong ke East Jantia Hills Bar Association Ki Mukhtiar Jong ke West Jantia Hills Bar Association Bat Kiway
And in this journey, the separation of the judiciary from the executive and establishment of district and sessions court in Khliehriat on 12th of August 2020, one can see was indeed a milestone. The district judiciary was functioning for nearly 2 years now, from temporary premises, and has endeavored, in spite of all the severe constraints, to bring about justice to the doorstep of the people of the district. Now, with this permanent court complex in place, I'm sure the people, especially litigants, will be served much better with this infrastructure that we now have. This permanent high court building, a permanent court complex, wouldn't have been possible without the efforts and collaboration of the government, the contractors, the officers and staff of various departments, and all other people who were involved in this regard. And this is kind of a place to record that this day has become a reality also because of the guidance and leadership of the Honorable Chief Justice of Meghalaya, Shri Sanjeev Banerjee, who since assuming office of the Chief Justice of our High Court has been singularly responsible in speeding up and putting the district judiciary of the entire state, in fact, on a firm footing, whether it be in terms of infrastructure or steps and measures that have been taken to improve the functioning and efficiency of the judiciary in the entire state of Meghalaya.
Constitutional morality is no less essential than constitutional legality, unquote. Therefore, as we witness today's inauguration, it is the righteousness and the sense of public duty that we must carry in our hearts as we move ahead to strengthen the dispensation of justice. The separation of judiciary from the executive is necessary due to the fact that certain functions must not be exercised by any one organ of the government. A system of checks and balances is necessary to be put in place between the pillars of democracy. And with the establishment of the District and Sessions Judge Court in East Jantia Hills and the inauguration of this building, I believe that justice has been brought closer to the people, as Justice Thangkeu was just mentioning, has been brought to the doorsteps. In other words, justice has become nearer, cheaper, and faster. Also, disposal of cases has become much easier than before. The government of Meghalaya separated the judiciary from the executive has separated basically judiciary from the executive in all the districts of the state. And I'm indeed very proud that we have been able to complete this process ever since we took over as a government in 2018. We've worked on a war footing. We've collaborated and coordinated with the High Court, and we've been able to do this because of the kind of support that we received in separating the judiciary from the executive. And the quarters for subordinate judiciary at Khliehriat was, as we all know, sanctioned on the 25th of March in the year 2017 for an amount of rupees 14.38 crores. where work started in the month of June 2017, and we saw the completion of this in the month of May this year. The Court of the District and Sessions Judge is now fully empowered to try both civil and criminal cases, and it has, I'm told, been conferred with the power of special acts such as the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, as mentioned by Khliehriat, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, the Industrial Tribunal Act 1947, the Electricity Act 2003, the Waqf Tribunal under the Waqf Act 1995, the Special Court under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. And today's day therefore becomes important because it also signifies the strengthening of the judiciary here. The goal ultimately is to see the court dispense justice in line with the constitutional values and frameworks at a very speedy, simple and inexpensive manner. In line with these goals, the idea of a judicial infrastructure cannot be one that is static, and I've been saying this in many of my addresses. Rather, it should respond and adapt to the changes in the surrounding context. More often than not, location of courts, their professional surroundings, and access play a pivotal role in a litigant's decision to even approach the court. I believe that the honorable members of the legal fraternity would agree with me when I say that it is at this level that the foundational bedrock of faith between the citizens and the judicial system is established. And today's inauguration will stand as a testimony to that. We are also very much in the process of establishing the National Law College, as is the dream of Honorable Chief Justice of our High Court, Justice Banerjee, that we must establish this as soon as possible. And I'm happy to inform him that we are moving very, very fast in regards to that, and we hope that we will be seeing the fruition to this dream very soon. I also wish the judicial officers the very best for the endeavors ahead of them. I do hope that every one of you will fully live up to the aspirations and expectations of the people of this district.